I got a HB pavilion x360 that needs it's a touch screen, but the screen is broken and we're gonna have to change it. If my camera is going good. There we go. This is okay. So I'm gonna have to change the screen on it. And the first thing I would do is take the old screen out by using a little tool that I have. Like start at the top. Just have to put this tool between the screen and the frame, and then we just keep going. We open it up a little by little. I don't know if you guys can see that. My screen is okay right there. Oh well. Move it like this. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do this. Alright, so I'm gonna go around it. Just go a little easy, and it will open up. You go all over the sides, this side too, and the bottom too. Just gonna hold it down a little bit, and it's gonna open up. So as you see, this is the old screen, and it's only connected right here with this part. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the tape little by little. I think the other screens, like this one, still work a little bit, so I'm gonna try not to hurt it as much as I can, because I can recycle it, turn on some money. So gotta take the tape off. You gotta go a little by little, easy. You don't want to rip it off, and then you can mess up the connectors. So yeah, you go easy, easy, easy. Okay, we got over here. Now, what you gotta do is you gotta push this thing out from both sides a little by little. And we got it out. So now this screen should be you're gonna have to take the wire off, put it back the same way on the other screen, and it's gonna actually it's connected over here too on the sides. You open this up, take this out. I can change just the LC, the digitizer on that one, but it's the easiest to get the whole screen. So you see, this is the old screen. As you see, it's broken over here. The digitizer is one broken. I can still use this. I can change the digitizer on that one and make it work again. Let's get the new one. Okay, so this is the new screen. It's brand new, and you're gonna have to connect it the same way the other one was connected. First one, I'm gonna connect this right here. I'm gonna put it the same way that it was on the other one. So I'm gonna put the wires between this from here. Actually, I'm gonna put it out a little bit more. connect it this way, go all the way that way, and here, here. Okay. Oh. Okay, so it's gonna. Well, I'm gonna connect it first. So I'm gonna push it inside right here. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, you can. Okay. I always talk about getting another camera for my videos, but never had the time. So I'm gonna open from the back. You're gonna open up the little thing up, and then we're gonna push this wire inside the same way it was before. Yes. Okay. So it is pushed now. I'm gonna close the back. So you see, you open it that way, and you close it that way. So now, push the wire back the way it should go. It's supposed to be. It goes under this, and under this on this side, I guess, yeah, like this. Okay. And right here. Okay. Here's this one. Now, go back to the big connector, and this one should be easy. Just same way you took the other one, same way you put it, scrape it all the way to the bottom, and then push it between the connectors. Make sure both sides are equal, and then you can push it by like this. All right, so it's connected. You put the tape back, and just put the wire the way it was before, because once you want to close it, you don't want the wire to bother you, like, you know, because once you want to lock the screen back to the frame, those wires have to be in place. If not, it's gonna bother you. It's not gonna shut down all the way. There we go. Okay. Now let's test it. I don't know if it's charged or not. I'm not really sure. It's got the power right here. Okay, it's not charged. Let's get the charger. I think I have one right here. This one. Yes. Okay. We'll just connect it. So we put the new screen. I hooked it up, but I haven't put it in the frame yet. I'm just gonna test it and see how's everything gonna work. Okay, so it turned on, and here we go. We start getting some lights, and the HB sign is over there. That means it worked. We're gonna have to test the touch on it, because that's a touch screen, and we're gonna see in a minute. Those are really easy. That's the easiest thing I've ever done, is to change a screen on a laptop. It's one of the easiest things I've ever done over here. It's even easier from changing a screen on an iPhone. It's been off for a minute, so that's why it's taking a long time to turn on. I don't know how you guys can see, but I gotta turn this anyway. That's okay, that's better. Okay, we're almost there. All right. The touch, oh yeah. Touch is good. Digitizer is working. Yeah, I can see that it's touching. Keyboard is good. See, you can look at the bubble. Like once you touch it, it makes like a little bubble thing. And you touch it right here. See, it makes kind of like a bubble thing. That means the touch is good. Once you move it, you know, that's when you know. Like you can touch here too, and see, like, you know, everything's working. Okay, let's shut it down again. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it back into the frame. Let's disconnect it from the charger, and the way we're gonna do it is we're gonna start at the bottom, and you can see where exactly are the connectors in the bottom. You just have to push it a little by little inside, and then push it from the top. You can do it this way if it's easier for you. So, you know, you can measure the exact. Gonna start at the bottom this way. Right. See, you can hear the connectors are connecting. You just gotta be careful, don't push too much. If it's not connecting, just don't push it, because you might break the new screen. So what you gotta do is just move it a little up over here. Actually, I forgot, because this computer can go flat. If it's not connecting, that means one of the wires are not in the right spot. But it looks like that everything is good. Okay. Alright, now that looks great. See, it's back in place. You can push these right here. Okay. Now, okay, good. I'm gonna test it again to make sure that, you know, nothing have got messed up while we try and put the screen. Okay. And there we go. So everything in place, everything is great. All we gotta do is just to take out the plastic of the screen. It's gonna say HB on the bottom. That's how you know this is the OEM original part. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I'm gonna keep this inside. I like these little computers. They're nice. Great to work with. As you see, the touch is great. And yes, everything is good. Sometimes you're gonna need to do the touch like alignments when you put on a new screen. Sometimes somebody will try to mess up with the settings. You just have to redo the alignments. You touch, you put it on comfort gate, and then you touch like the 4 sides of the screen like a couple of times. They'll tell you where to touch it, and then this is how you align, like, you know, the screen, the touch screen. And we're gonna shut it down again. And you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see y'all in the next videos. Have a good day.